Another big story this noon, will Casey Anthony be forced to appear in court tomorrow? Mike DeForest joins us now live on the set with an update on this case. And I guess, Mike, the big question is, does she have a choice in this matter?
Well, normally Casey would have a choice under the law. The criminal defendant does have the right to attend or not to attend their own court hearings. But prosecutors are afraid that possibly someday down the line, Casey might regret not being in court and possibly try to file an appeal on that matter. So out of caution, the judge has ordered Casey to show up.
Whenever Casey Anthony appears in court, her attorneys say it fuels a circus-like atmosphere which paints Casey in a negative light. Just a few days ago, Casey signed this waiver of appearance, which basically says she voluntarily chooses not to attend tomorrow morning's court hearing. But Judge Stan Strickland fears that written waiver might still invite future problems, so he's ordered Casey to be there.
Yes.
Only 3 legal issues are scheduled to be discussed tomorrow, but it's likely Jose Baez will begin the hearing by trying to get prosecutors thrown off the case. Local 6 has confirmed someone working for State Attorney Lawson Lamar did send some paperwork to the Florida bar, which was investigating Baez for possible ethics violations. The bar ultimately cleared Baez of any wrongdoing, but still, he feels the State Attorney's Office was trying to interfere with his ability to represent Casey. So Baez is asking the judge to remove local prosecutors and instead let Florida Attorney General Bill McCollum take over the murder case. At tomorrow's hearing, Baez will also ask a judge for permission to inspect the woods where a meter reader discovered Kaylee's body. That land is private property, and so far the property owner has refused to grant Baez permission to enter those woods. Baez is also demanding that EquiSearch founder Tim Miller turn over certain photos, videos, and records. EquiSearch volunteers reportedly searched the area near the spot where Kaylee was later found. The defense wants to know exactly where that search occurred and what Tim Miller's group may or may not have discovered there.
The third issue scheduled for tomorrow involves the defense team's witness list and whether they filed it properly with the court. Meanwhile, we are still waiting for George Anthony to be released from the hospital following last week's suicide scare. His attorney hopes George will be released in the next couple days, possibly later today. Just got off the phone with the attorney, and they're still trying to work out the details.
Okay, so we'll have more on that throughout the day. Mike will have that, of course, tomorrow, coverage throughout the day from Mike DeForest. Thank you for